After a kill, we have a cut tool. It's very easy. It just simply cut based on the intersection with this brush circle and the guides or the hair. Nice. You can go to the hair, the viewport. You can make it the hair and the cut. You can see, you can better see the cutting the hair based on the camera view. Don't forget that. Nice. Going to the cut, you can change your radius or with holding your middle mouse button and click and drag. Visible only. It just cut the visible hair, not, for example, behind this plane you have a lot of hair, it does not touch them. Restrict, as I explained before, if in a plane, if in a polygon you have some polygons selected, you can restrict to that selection. I explained it before in other tools. You know about the shape and the pressure, aspect and angles, all about changing the, you can see the brush shape, and with a pen tool you can change the aspect and the angle. You know, I explained it before in all of these. I don't want to change in selected only. It means if you select some guides here and go to the cut and just select it only, it does not cut anything except the guides and the hair corresponding to that. Cut add is very interesting. You can use a polygon object. Don't forget, not primitive. You have to make it editable. It cuts the head with intersection of the 3D object. Make it editable and go into the hair, then cut, drag and drop editable objects to that. And then you can hide it. Oh, sorry. You have to apply cut and hide. Oh, I think it's cut at selection only. We make sure that we deselect everything, and again hair cut subcube, and now you can see it's cut based on intersection of the object. This is better. For example, in this view you want to cut a shape, you can drag and drop a curve, and in this curve you can go and extrude it in this length. That's nice. Go into the this mode and just move it, or you can expand it. It cuts the hair with intersection. It has to be cut this based on the root. Okay, don't forget to make it editable. Oh, lots of selection, we don't need that. Go into the cut and cut add, drag and drop here, and boom, you can see, very simple. Hide it, and you can shape your object such as this thing with cut add. Okay, this is an cut object. Please don't forget to visit our TutorialCells apps channel. In this channel, we are introducing Android application and learn how to use them.